Justin here. Catch Happy, owner of Sweeney Sports here at Napa. Coach, say hi to the people.
Good morning, fellas.
Morning, morning. Hey, we're doing something interesting every morning. I think it's interesting every Tuesday, but today we're going out of Berkeley Harbor into the bay. And we're gonna, what are we hunting for?
Hunting for the elusive halibut today.
The elusive halibut. So we got to run to San Francisco, get some bait, some chovies. Got a little bait cooler here. We're gonna fill that up, and then hoping for a good day fishing. That's for sure. One thing I have to mention that our boat is a little bit small compared to what we see out here.
Yeah, no, I would make sure it's a good day if you're using a small boat. Check the weather.
Yeah.
I checked the weather multiple times before I decided to bring my boat out here, but it should be a good day. Should be able to fish till about 11:30 or so before the wind picks up and we'll get out of here.
Yeah, so we waited for this for a while for the weather to be just the right, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll update you on the first. Well, we'll check the bait station out with you, and then hopefully we'll get on some fish. Stay tuned. We'll be catching.
We'll be catching.
We're in San Francisco Harbor now, going after some bait. Might be familiar sights to some, definitely for me. Grew up in the city.
Once we get the anchovies now, we're going to have to diverse them through buckets, that way they stay alive longer.
Okay. Don't forget to turn on my aerator, it's obviously off. Lots of boats here. Getting bait, it's the only place to get bait. You can get it at Berkeley. Coach, you're doing live anchovies, right?
Live anchovies, yeah.
Live anchovies is what we're looking for here. We'll trade them for some halibut, see what happens. Thanks a lot, appreciate it.
Push me off of it.
All right, we got the bait. We may be the smallest boat, but we're nimble. In and out, no time. Let's go get some fish. But we can use them, can we not, Coach?
Oh, we're going to use them.
Well, we're going to use them. All right.
We're saving them for trap pots. Ground trapping.
All right. Nothing goes to waste. All right, guys, here we have Alcatraz. Impossible to escape. Used to be a prison, and now it's a tourist center, but the currents here are so strong that I don't think anybody ever swam to safety from Alcatraz. There was some attempts, nobody made it really. Lots of boats fishing today. That's a bait management strategy for you. All right, so I think we're close to a fishing spot. Is this?
We're almost to the fishing grounds. The fleet's right here. We're gonna try and stay away from the fleet. Kind of find our own fish.
Yeah, the fleet's usually got the fish, so if we fail, we just go catch the fleet. But look at all of them fishing everywhere. Oh, it's gonna be a good day in the water. All right, guys, we'll see you on the first fish, hey? Talk me through a setup, just real quick. Here's what we got going on.
We just got a sliding weight to about a 3-foot leader to a 1-aught hook for our anchovies. Same thing as striper fishing, just doing the same thing with anchovies for halibut.
Got a little bead stopper and a leader, and then show us how you hook it.
So I'm just gonna go right up through the lips. Right up top. That's it.
All right. Now we got rod fishing, almost. How deep is it here?
22 feet.
22? Oh, ain't a thing. Look at that beautiful skyline of San Francisco. You guys see that? And that's the prize. Fishing the bay. Now, how do we know it's biting, Coach?
Well, we're gonna hold the rods, or you can send the rod holder, but it's just gonna load up.
Just gonna load up,
just
go
gonna
down?
load up, yep.
Okay.
Get two rods out, and we'll rig your rod up.
Are you bumping the bottom? That's what it feels
Yeah, you
like.
want to drag the bottom.
I see. That's what we do.
Same thing as we do up north for stripers. You bring it here.
Okay. Let's see you set this one up. So it's another Phoenix 808.
Yeah, so that one's a Kuma SSC Pro, a 9-footer, a little lighter rod, and this one's a Kuma Phoenix 807.
807. You guys can pick that up at Sweeney's if you Sweeney Sports if you're out in Napa. If not, well, you know what to get. Hey guys, meet Greg. Here's our companion for today, and he's doing something interesting. Let's see what he's up to. So what are you doing, Greg?
The way they do it in Alaska.
I see.
There you go.
And so you're gonna throw that out there, let it dive all the way down?
Same thing. It's just gonna sink down to the bottom and drag along.
Oh, I see. So we're doing the same thing. We're putting the rod. You're not gonna like, just cast and retrieve. No. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see if Greg can get hooked up with his setup. Oh, good job, man. How does it feel?
On the board.
On the board, baby. That's the first fish. How big they need to be to keep?
22 inches.
22?
Yeah, he might be 22.
All right, Coach. Let's see what we got
The
here.
hook came out right in the net.
Wow, fantastic. We got one. I'm not even gonna be loud about it. Oh, look at that bad. Ooh. Look at that maul.
Just short. Yeah, he's just over 22 and a half.
22, yep. We are on the board, guys. We're on the board. Fish one. All right, guys. Coach is working hard. We got 3 rods. We got our first fish. Greg got him. Look at all these boats out there. Oh, yeah. Everybody's fishing today. Not a huge fish, but fish. Oh,
came off right
just
there.
came off. Austin's got fish on. I got it.
Move your rod, Alex.
Taking it. It's out of the way.
Striper.
Ooh, nice striper. Yes. Nice fish. What's up, Coach? You got one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a beauty. It's a good looking striper. Doesn't feel big though. Ooh, fighting. Does not feel big. Ooh.
Shaker.
A shaker, yep. Oh. A small little halibut. Whoa, he's getting feisty, that boy. Hold on. He's feisty, that boy. Juvenile.
Yeah.
All right, Coach. 1-1. Okay.
1-1.
Good fish. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, good fish. Let's go, baby.
Shaker.
No, it's not.
That's a shaker.
Is it?
Yeah.
But hey, that felt better than the last one. 2 fish in the boat for Uncle Alex. Greg, you concur with the win so far? I mean, it's not keeper. Oh, perfect. Thank you, sir.
Not a keeper at all.
Nope. All right, we're gonna let him go. But hey, just remember, Alex caught the fish. And there's a method to the madness. Just throw them back in. There you go. Fish on. Ooh, nice fish. Oh, good fish. Good fish. Well, somebody's getting them tacos, that's for sure. Wow. Yes, sir.
and taco.
The hook came out of the net.
Yes, sir.
See why you don't set the hook? Because the hook comes out as soon as it hits the net.
Yeah. So what coach is saying, I had a bite and I kind of jerked it by instinct, and that was a bad move. You got my minnow.
Anchovy.
Chovy. Yeah.
Catch it?
Yeah, you got it. Beg for it and you get, ooh, good fish. You gonna net him?
Drop the rod up.
I'll get my out of the way.
Reel it up.
Reel it up, okay.
Good fish.
Good fish. Austin's fighting good fish. I'm out of the way. Whoa.
Striper.
Oh, another good one. Oh.
Hold on.
A big bastard. A big bastard. Whoa. Yeah.
Nice striper.
Yeah, baby. You're the striper king today, man.
Stripers.
Oh, no problem, man. No, great fish. What a job, my friend. What a job. A nice striper. Yes. That's what I'm talking about.
There you go.
All right, baby. You good?